Hello everyone, my name is Angela. Our company name is the Zhejiang Meishuo Electronic Technology Company Limited, and today our topic is the how to packaging release for you. And we have many packaging methods. The first one is the white box, and the second is the plastic box, and the third is the plastic cube. And the first one, I will introduce our PCB release of the NPD, how to package of the NPD. It is 2,000 pieces in one master box, and 10 plastic boxes in one inner box, 2 inner boxes in one master box. And we will pack with the fumigation tray when we send aboard. The size of the NPD is the 37 multiplied 29.5 multiplied 70 centimeter. The gross weight is the 30 kilograms. The net weight is the 12 kilograms. The second one, I will introduce blister cubes of the MCC. And the MCC packaging, it is 2,000 pieces in one carton, packed with the tin plastic cubes. 25 pieces tin plastic cube. There are 18 tin plastic pipes in one box. The gross weight of the MCC is the 6.5 kilograms. The net weight is the 5.5 kilograms. The size of the MCC is 39 multiplied 30.1 multiplied 40.8 centimeter. The third product, I will share more information to you. How to packaging of our solenoid bulb FPD 360A. It is 100 pieces in one master box, 5 plastic boxes in one master box, and we will put 20 pieces in one plastic box. Our solenoid bulb of the FPD 360A, it is widely used in the home appliances such as the water dispenser, water purifier, and our system. The carton of FPD 360A is the 36.5 multiplied 31.5 multiplied 20 centimeter. The gross weight is the 12 kilograms. The net weight is the 11 kilograms. Finally, products, I will introduce our MH for you. I will share more information how to packaging of the automotive relay MH. It is 500 pieces in one master box, and 10 plastic boxes in one master box. And we packed with fumigation tray when we send the goods aboard. The size of the MH is the 45 multiplied 40 multiplied 22 centimeter. The gross weight is the 18 kilograms. The net weight is the 13 kilograms. We will put 30 cartons in one pallet. It can reduce damage during transportation and protect the goods. In the Europe, we usually use 120 multiplied 80 centimeter pallets, and also we will send goods to other countries such as the South American and the North American. We usually are used 1,050 multiplied 1,050 centimeter pallets, and we also can customize pallets for you according to our client's purchase quantity. Okay, let me see. This carton is our normally expert packaging. You can't find anything in here. And let me see the outside of the carton. You can get our quantity, net weight, gross weight, and the size of the carton's information in here. And one important thing I want to tell you, we can customize packaging for you. You can put your logo and other information in our packaging. You just provide the authorization letter to us. We can customize packaging for you according to your requirements.